Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad geometry challenge. And here we have this is nice right triangle in which the length of its one side is 89 and the length of other two sides are unknown. So for this less information, we need to find the parameter and area of this right triangle. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. First, you see that this is a right angle triangle because you see that this is the right angle. So you know about that in right angle triangle, the Pythagoras theorem is hold. So we apply the Pythagoras theorem here. And now first we just state the length of this side is equals to small a, and we call the length of this side is small c, and the length of this side is denoted by small b. So we have these are the three sides of the given triangle, and now we apply here the Pythagoras theorem. Further, you see here the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. The side opposite to the other unknown angle is called the perpendicular side. This side is perpendicular, and the side we join both of these two angles is called the base of this triangle. So here these are the sides of the given triangle, and now we state the Pythagoras theorem as hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. And you see here the value of hypotenuse is c square, the value of base is a square, and the value of perpendicular is 89 square or b square. Okay, so we can just substitute the value of b, that is 89 square. Now we move the term a square to the left hand side and we get c square minus a square equals to 89 square. So you know about that in the left hand side we have this is very famous algebraic formula, c square minus a square is equals to c minus a times of c plus a is equals to 89, and we know that the square of 89 is equals to 7921. So here you see that in the left hand side we have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So we need to find any two numbers whose product becomes 7921. So we have there are two possibilities. The first possibility is 89 multiplied by 89 is equals to 7921, and the second possibility is 1 times of 7921 is also equals to 7921. So here according to these possibilities we divide this equation into the two cases, and here if we make the relation between these two values we know about that c minus a is always less than c plus a. It means that less than or equals to c plus a. So if we make the relation between these two pairs, you see that 89 is equals to 89 and 1 is less than this value. So here we compare both of these two sides with this number, and we compare the bigger value with bigger factor and lesser value with lesser factor. So here we just write both of these two cases. So now we have the first case is c minus a is equals to 89 and c plus a is also equals to 89. This is the first case, and here we write our second case for the values of a and c. So in the second case we compare c minus a is equals to 1 and c plus a is equals to 7921. So we solve both of these two cases and we get the values of a and c, and then we move towards our final destination, which is parameter and area. So here we call this is equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So now first we sum up we subtract both of these two values first. Okay, when we subtract these two values, these two equations, you see that we subtract equation number 1 with equation number 2, and here you see that this is positive c negative c are gone, and we have minus a becomes minus 2a, and these two also gone and we get 0, and this case implies that a is equals to 0. So if a is equals to 0, this means that the base of the given triangle is 0, but it is not possible because all the sides lengths are non-zero. So this is not possible case, and we rejected this case. And now here we can just proceed this case only, and in this case we call this is equation number 3 and this is our equation number 4. So here first we sum up equation number 3 and equation number 4. So when we add both of these two equations, we get you see that minus a and plus a are gone, and we get c plus c becomes 2c. 1 plus this value is equals to 7922. So for the values of c, we divide both of the sides by 2. This 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get c is equals to. So when we cancelled these two terms, we get here 3961. So this is the value of c which we get here in the second case, and now we use this value of c into the equation number 3, and we get the value of a. So we put this value in equation number 3, and this implies that when you put this in equation number 3, we get 3961 minus 1 is equals to 1. Okay, so here sorry, this is our a. So here we move minus a to the right hand side, and we move 1 to the left hand side, and we get 3961 minus 1 is equals to a. When we subtract these two values, we get 3960 is equals to a. So this is the value of a which we get here in the second case. So in the second case, we get these are the two values of a. And now we move backward, and you see that now we have all the values of all the sides lengths are now given, because we have the value of c is equals to 3961. The value of a which we find here is 3960. So now we have all the sides lengths are given. And now we use first the parameter of the formula of the parameter of given triangle. So you know about that. The formula of parameter be the sum of all the side lengths of the given triangle. It means that a plus b plus c. So here we add all these sides lengths, and these are the value of a is 3960, the value of b is 89, the value of c is 3961. So when we add all these three values, then we get the parameter of the given triangle is equals to 8010 units. Okay, so this is the parameter of the given triangle which we get here. And now here we move towards to find the area of the given triangle. So we know that area is equals to 1 over 2 times base multiplied by altitude or height. Okay, or a perpendicular side. So we have now 1 over 2, our base is a and altitude is b. So the value of a is we have 3960, the value of b is 89. So we cancelled these terms, and we have these are gone, and we get here 1 6 and 80. So when we multiply this value with 89, and finally we get the area is 17,600 to 17,622 and 0 square units. Okay, so this is the final answer of this problem, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.